You already own the solution to high energy bills. You're just letting it escape through the cracks silently. Here's how. Bill isn't high because your furnace is burning too much gas. It's high because your home can't contain the heat it generates. Every gap, every dirty filter, every unsealed duct makes your furnace work twice as hard for half the result. Think of it like making popcorn with the lid half off. The kernels still pop, but half your popcorn ends up on the floor rather than in your bowl. Let's see how a furnace works. Your furnace is like a campfire with a fan behind it. The burner creates heat inside a metal chamber, then a blower pushes that hot air through ducts to every room. Your thermostat checks the temperature constantly and tries to maintain it. If the temperature drops, it fires up the burner again. So if you let hot air escape through tiny gaps in your house, the furnace won't operate as efficiently. Try this now. Walk to your coldest room and check the vent. Put your hand over it while it's heating. Barely feel anything? It's a sign your system is losing heat before it even arrives. Start with air leaks. Run a wet hand along the window frames and doors. If you feel a breeze, caulk it, weather strip it, seal it. Next, check for dirty filters. Pull your filter out and hold it against the light source. Does light pass through it? If no, then replace it. Check your attic insulation. Heat rises naturally, and without proper insulation, it will escape straight through your roof. Your attic should be at least 10 inches deep for maximum efficiency. Finally, check your ducts for any damage, gaps, or torn sections, and seal them with a metal tape instead of duct tape. We've seen that people who follow these habits and maintain their HVAC systems, they save hundreds of thousands in repairs every year. What's the first thing you'll fix? Comment below.